For centuries, a baffling mystery has lingered in the Peruvian Andes. Why are there over 5,200 perfectly arranged holes carved into the mountainside? This enigmatic site, known as the Band of Holes, has long puzzled archaeologists, sparking wild theories ranging from ancient defense systems to extraterrestrial interventions. But here's where it gets controversial. A new study suggests these holes were once the heart of a bustling barter market and accounting hub, challenging our understanding of pre-Columbian economies. And this is the part most people miss. The intricate layout of these holes may mirror the Incan quipus, those knotted cord record-keeping systems, hinting at a sophisticated system of trade and taxation long before European contact. Perched high on Monte Sierpe, or Serpent Mountain, in the southern Peruvian Andes, these holes are arranged in precise grids, stretching nearly a mile long. Each hole, measuring between 3 to 6 feet across and up to 3 feet deep, is a testament to the ingenuity of the people who carved them. Some are even lined with rocks, adding to the intrigue. The site's location near ancient roads and a defensive settlement suggests it wasn't just a random construction, but a strategic hub. Researchers believe it was built between AD 1000 and 1400, during the reign of the powerful Chincha kingdom, which boasted a population exceeding 100,000. When the Inca Empire conquered the Chincha in the 15th century, the site may have been repurposed to collect tribute from local groups. A fascinating example of how empires adapt existing infrastructure for their needs. Archaeologists first documented the site in the 1930s and revisited it in the 1970s, but it wasn't until recently that drone technology unlocked its secrets. Using drones, researchers detected mathematical patterns in the hole layout, reminiscent of ancient accounting methods. But here's the kicker. Pollen samples from the holes revealed traces of maize and bulrush, plants not native to the area. This suggests people transported these materials to the site, possibly using woven baskets, a practice common in Chincha society. Could this be evidence of a barter system where goods were stored or exchanged in these holes? The study, published in Antiquity on November 10th, also draws parallels between the hole arrangement and Incan quipus. These knotted cords were used to record everything from census data to tax obligations. The slight variations in hole counts within each block might even reflect different tribute levels from nearby towns. This finding not only sheds light on ancient Andean economies, but also challenges the notion that complex accounting systems were exclusive to literate societies. But here's the controversial question. Does this discovery rewrite our understanding of indigenous economic systems? Some scholars argue that pre-Columbian societies relied solely on oral traditions and memory for record-keeping. This study, however, suggests they developed sophisticated physical systems to manage trade and resources. What do you think? Does this finding prove indigenous societies were more advanced than previously thought, or is it just one piece of a much larger puzzle? Let's debate in the comments. For beginners, this discovery highlights how ancient peoples transformed their landscapes to foster community and commerce. It's a reminder that even without written records, societies can develop intricate systems to thrive. As Jacob Bongers, one of the study's authors, notes, our findings expand our understanding of barter marketplaces and the origins of indigenous accounting practices. So, the next time you hear about primitive ancient societies, remember the Band of Holes, a testament to human ingenuity and the enduring legacy of indigenous innovation.